Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm just about getting ready to finish this exhaust project. I already did one side. I'm not going to show you guys the whole thing. So pretty much you just get some sheet metal. It's pretty thin. This one, I got it at Home Depot. And you could use some scissors for metal to cut them open. These are pretty dirty, but they get the job done. So then I was going to use RBT silicone, but I went to Pep Boys and I found this. And it's like a gasket for exhaust. You could tell it's for exhaust because it has metal on the one end. So I just cut off a piece made it look exactly like this one, and put it in between the sheet metal and the exhaust, with the cardboard piece facing the metal sheet. All right, so that's pretty much it. Next time you see me, we'll be doing the install. Alright guys, so the car was pretty low, so luckily we had this rotor that I could step onto because the jack would not go underneath. But this is your lifting point right here. I'm not sure how well you can see it, but there's like little indentations right there. So now you just get underneath. We're gonna remove these two bolts, and you're gonna wrestle with this hanger and that hanger up there. Can you see it? Yeah, so two hangers, and on the other side the same thing. Alright, so I'll bring you back when I'm done with this. Alright guys, so one down. It's a bit dirty, but let me see if I could show you guys this one. Alright, so this stuff helps a lot with these hangers. Made it tons easier. Alright, so let's see. Let's see if that's a good angle. Okay. Oh, man, I'm strong. Okay. So, you see how this makes it just slide off? And all done. And pretty much there you go. So now you just have to bolt these back on. There you go. And you're all set. Let me put you back on the tripod. Alright guys, so I won't be able to get you guys a cold start, but let's do a warm start with the original mufflers on. And after I install them, we'll do another one. Alright, so I mean, it sounds pretty much the same. This isn't really a sound mod, it's more of a flow mod. So I think there might be some small changes when you're driving, but as far as idling, sounds the same. Maybe even quieter, actually. So yeah, catch you guys next time. Have one more mod to do.